Tired of just accepting the first version of your AI-generated masterpieces? Well, today, we're diving into the amazing world of in-platform editing in Midjourney, giving you the power to sculpt your AI visions to perfection, right within Discord. First, after generating your image grid with a prompt, take a look at the options below the U buttons, U1 through U4. Upscale the corresponding image in the grid. Click 1 to enhance that individual image. Now that you've upscaled an image, the V buttons, V1 through V4, create variations of that specific image. This keeps the composition similar but introduces subtle changes in detail, color, and style. Tap one of these to generate new options. See the differences? It's like asking the AI artist to take another shot with a slightly different brush. Keep hitting these variation buttons until you're happy. If you want to subtly alter the zoom, press the zoom out buttons, or even better, use the custom zoom to reprompt the AI with a slightly altered description. For even more control, look for the Remix button in settings. After selecting this button, you are able to change your prompt. After generating an image, it gives you far more control of your end result. And there you have it. With Midjourney's in-platform tools, you can go beyond simple generation and become a true collaborator with AI, molding your creative visions into stunning realities. Now, go forth and refine those images.